I'd love to share with you some tips and tricks that I've learned to help make your packing and your traveling much easier. So this particular cube contains well-organized set of shorts and pants. So you'll know when you're running out of clean shorts and pants when this little guy gets empty. So it makes it really nice to stay organized when you're living out of a duffel bag. You can have, for instance, I do pants, shirts, bathroom items, and underwear and miscellaneous items in certain packing cubes. So I have 4 cubes packed in this duffel bag, and I will show you how this works. So this particular packing cube has a see-through area, which is nice because you can locate, this is my shirts, these are my pants, my bathroom items, and they stack very nicely whether you're packing in a soft-sided duffel bag or whatever you're packing in. It keeps you well organized. They have little handles. These can double as like a little day pack if you need to carry items with you on a particular trip. And I love how they stack so neatly like books in the bag. My system for doing an African type safari, or when you're traveling anywhere in the world and there's a danger that your bag may be gone through by someone that's not an authority. This is my little system here. I have one of these Ziploc totes, they call them. It's about the size that you can fit a big huge blanket in, maybe a comforter. And I take my packing bags and I zip the zipper to the very bottom. And when I'm packing my cubes in this way, the zipper is closed on the very bottom of these cubes. So this is how my Ziploc comes in handy. The cubes fit right in there. They stack just about perfectly there. And the Ziploc, or the plastic bag, it can help waterproof your bag if you wanted to save money and not buy a waterproof bag, or if you just wanted that extra protection because sometimes bags are left on the tarmac when it's raining, etc. And so I just zip it all up with the zippers facing down in here against the bottom of the case. So it's just an extra deterrent. If someone were to think they wanted to grab something out of your bag, the stories that I've heard are that they were the items that were on the top and basically easy to grab. So this system works pretty well. I've never had an issue so far. And they pack right on in there, and then I will also use a luggage lock as well, just for that extra deterrent to keep your items safe and able to be with you on your trip.